Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to make money with YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. So YouTube just announced their YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, which is a new way to monetize your channel by tagging products directly from brands and earning a commission for sales. So the new platform is fully integrated with YouTube Shopping and more merchants are being added every week. So here, as you can see, this newly announced affiliate program offers a new way to earn more money on YouTube. So by helping your audience find products they love. So through this program, creators can help your fans shop. So by tagging products in your content, fans can quickly scan for helpful information like pricing and keep watching your video while they check out on the retailer site. Get more from your YouTube business. So the affiliate program helps get your great shopping content in front of more brands and viewers across YouTube. So increasing your overall earnings potential with your YouTube shoot. You'll also earn a competitive commission when fans buy. And you can spend more time creating since you can tag products, get insights, and review earnings all in one place. In YouTube Studio, you can spend more time creating content people love and less time managing links. If you check the note here, as you can see this program is currently available now for eligible US creators. So if you want to express interest joining with this program, so you just need to click on this, fill out this form, and then you'll be directly go here on creator interest form. As you can see, we are rolling out the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program in the US with more markets to follow. So if you are interested in joining and do not meet the eligibility criteria, please let us know via this form. So you just need to fill out this form right here. Now, if you are a creator, here are some recommendations from YouTube after you join the new program. So first, you need to check to see if the product you want to feature is available for commission. Now the second one is create a short, YouTube short to get started quickly. So start tagging and creating longer form videos next. And third one is let fans know they can shop your video by calling out the shopping button in the lower left corner of your video. And to be invited to the program, you must meet these minimum eligibility requirements. So first, your channel is in the YouTube Partner Program. Next, your channel must have more than 20,000 subscribers. So you just need to meet those programs here or requirements here. And then you are based in the United States. And then your channel is not a music channel, an official artist channel, or associated with music partners. And then your channel audience isn't set as made for kids, and your channel doesn't have a significant number of videos set as made for kids. And the last one, your channel doesn't have any active community guidelines strikes. So you just need to remember all those minimum eligibility requirements so you can join this YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. Now here you will find on how you can join using your Android computer or if you are using iPhone or your iPad. So you can check this out here on YouTube Help. And here, as you can see, understand your earnings. Every participating brand and retailer will set their commission rates and attribution window for each product. So commission percentages will be displayed by each product offered. So the percentage displayed is what will be paid. Now, once a viewer clicks on your tag product and makes a purchase, you'll earn your commission. So you can use YouTube Analytics to check your YouTube revenue. So note here that commissions earned will be paid through AdSense within 60 to 120 days after purchase to account for customer returns. So if a customer returns the product, commissions will be reversed. So here, as you can see, you just need to check all of this one on support.google.com/YouTube help, and you'll find here some informations about this YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program and some of the best practices and resources, some of the product samples that you can make a future content. So here you can check, you can just go here on the site and just read those, and you have the knowledge here on joining the shopping affiliate program. So yeah, that's how you basically join or make money with this YouTube shopping affiliate program. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.